Imagine you're an 11 to 12-year-old child or a 25-year-old grown man like me. If you want to see me jump this mini bike into the lake, leave a like on this video. If we get 1,000 likes on this video, I will video myself jumping this into my lake. And you need to ride a small, compact vehicle because you don't have the budget for something bigger. Well, boys, let me introduce you to the FRP mini bike. Here comes Jennifer. This little bike is on Amazon and Temu for about $300. Hello.
Yeah.
No.
You don't have any black tape?
No. So, FRP was kind enough to send this to me. We're gonna review it. We're just gonna try to beat the mess out of it. It has a lawnmower engine. I believe this is like a lawnmower engine. 50cc lawnmower engine. We're just gonna bust it out. We're just gonna grab her. We're just gonna grab her and bust her out. So here she is in all of her glory. She's pretty light, actually. Ugh. All right. Yeah, there she is. So let's just get right into it. Let's give you a little cold start. So it's got this little on-off switch. Pull this John. Give her a seat. And just like that, she's on, brother. Oh, the light kind of fell off. It also has this little light bar, which is pretty sweet. Let me kick over to the DJI and show you guys. So here's the light bar. So you got that mode, all of them. Then you got a flashing light, just to make sure that people see you. All right, now we're gonna get some flybys, and off I go. We're gonna go bother Jennifer. Check that out, chat. Fully working rear brake. It scrapes just a little bit, but this rear brake actually isn't too bad. She kind of grabs. Let me do some more tricks for you. A little bit of off-roading. Another drift. All right, let me come in hot. Pop a little wheelie. Ooh, shit. Okay, wait, we can actually wheelie this. Okay, maybe not. Whoa! We can totally wheel it. Okay, look. Jesus Christ! Okay. She's got some bark. It's actually pretty fast. Whoa! 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 Chat! I'm dialed! Wait. Oh no! I didn't tighten these enough. Okay, wait. Might be okay. Let me try to get another little wheelie. Jennifer's not seeing my cool tricks. Oh, shit. Yeah! And we're off! Wait, this thing's actually so much fun? No, because I gotta tighten this and then... Okay, we're good. We're good. We almost died. We almost died, but we're good. Okay, let me see if I have the tools to tighten this. We unfortunately do not have any tools to fix the wheelie problem that we're having. So I'm gonna try to get a top speed test, see how fast we go. And then, yeah, we're just gonna, I think that's it for the video. We're just gonna kind of mess around on it. I'm gonna kick it to the GoPro for now though. There's Jennifer recording her bicycle. But yeah, let me just show you guys up close. Like, it comes with a nice light bar, on and off switch, and it actually like looks really good. Like, it's a good looking little bike. Some beefy tires. It's a nice bike. It's a perfect like pit bike or something small, because these things are like $300. Like, you can get this for like $300 off Temu, Amazon, or FRP's actual website. I'll have all of them linked below, and you guys should really get one. Like, it's a really fun little bike. All right, we're gonna kick it to just the DJI, and we're gonna finish this video out. I'll be back. All right, chat. We're gonna go this way, and we're gonna give her the beans. All right, ready? All right, that's top speed right there. That's it. It feels like it has a governor on it. Like, I feel like I could almost make it much faster, but it definitely has like a little governor or something. I'm already like almost full speed. Oh yeah, I got them afterburners. All right, here we go. Shit! 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 We're getting emoted on! Maybe if I just try to turn it harder. Adios! Oh! No! 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 Oh! Oh! Ha ha! She won't come over. She won't come over here. Oh! Oh! Deep pebble! I don't know where this goes. Oh fuck! We're adventuring, brother. On the brakes. On the brakes. Exit this way. Oh. Oh, God. All right. Let's exit that way then. Oh yeah. I'm a demon. Yeah. Wall ride. Oh fuck. There's no suspension. I mean, we have to, right? Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Is that a ladder? It is. Oh. Ew. I'm out of here. Oh. Oh. Yeah. I know some of you don't know about the last time that I rode on like something like this. It was a Grom. Oh, dude, do we try to go down these stairs? Chad, I'm gonna do it for you. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, my bars. Oh. 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 Yeah. Oh. Oh. Nailed it. I don't know where Jennifer is. And that's our test on the FRP mini bike. Pretty sweet. I wish that this didn't happen, but that's definitely user error. That's not their fault. That's just my fault for trying to yank the wheelies. Did you see my wheelie? She was kind of sick. Kind of a demon. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need to see that. That's going on the gram.